in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to change your calendar format on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then on the left panel, select General. On the right side now, scrolling down, select Language and Region. Should be a calendar section in here. Click the drop down and you can have a wide selection of different calendars to select from. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.